Canaanite woman saw Lord and God, she repeatedly cried out, "Oh my Lord, help me." She persisted and did not despair. Save my daughter from the demon's hands. Then Christ said to her, "Oh woman, great is your faith. Depart in peace and let it be done as you wish." Hallelujah. Oh, hallelujah. The woman came from Canaan and said to the Messiah, "My daughter is tormented by the hands of a demon." The woman knelt beside Christ and begged for the Lord's mercy. Because of that woman's faith, her daughter was delivered. Glory be to the Father, who sent forth His only Son to grant His peace to the dead and those in distress and pain. When Christ passed through the land of Tyre and Sidon, a Canaanite woman came and cried aloud to the Lord, "Help me, O great physician, who has come down from heaven. Save my daughter from sin."